Still with BPC. Hi.
Hi.
But sorry guys, sorry for this. Before we continue our conversation. Oh my god, miss something. Okay, maybe you can introduction. I mean like reintroduction about BPC itself. What is BPC itself? Maybe Firda. Okay, you may.
Okay, it's we miss So okay, so BPC is the oldest community in Makassar. So we are always open our community in front of the Muhammadiyah University. So if you guys want to learn English for free, you can join with us in front of the Muhammadiyah University. So there we have several items. The first one is who am I? So the who am I? You can introduce yourself, and then the second one is
Ice breaking.
Ice breaking. You can play. We can play game before we start our discussion and debating, and then this next is the discussion and debating. So every week we have some topic that is of course the interesting topic. So next is the building skill. So we can learn about grammar and then vocabulary and etc. And then the last is announcement. So
entertainment.
Oh, okay, announcement and also entertainment. So if you guys want to learn speaking English, you can join with us in front of the Muhammadiyah University for free. You can also invite your friends, your family, also maybe your boyfriend and your girlfriends. Yeah.
Oh,
so
thank you, Firda. Give me applause for Firda. First. Okay, we still have one. Yeah. Guess. Okay, come on. But anyway, our topic tonight is time machine, right? So because you guys already answer my question, yeah. Okay, directly I'm gonna point out the newcomer for tonight. Actually, not really newcomer, guys, but yeah, you know. I mean, we have the same color. Okay, could you introduce yourself to smart listener, please, first?
Okay, hello.
Hi.
Smart listener. My name is Andi Nurina Tolaini. You can call me Aini. Yeah.
Hi, Aini.
Yeah.
You're busy, right? You're
Yeah.
very busy, hectic. That's why I know your position. Okay, can't lead. No, brother. Okay, anyway, I want to ask you about our topic tonight because they are half done to answer my question. My first question is, to you, Aini.
Yeah.
What do you think about our topic tonight? Time
machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a new topic for me. Yeah. Time machine. So I have to explain how actually the time machine for me. I mean.
Up to you.
Yeah.
It's up to you.
In my opinion, time machine is something that we can go back to the past. Yeah. Of course, it's an interesting thing that we can explore. That of course sometimes people want to have time machine to go to the past, for example, or go to the future for fix something or.
Good.
Yeah.
Good statement. That's the essential of our topic tonight,
Yeah.
actually. But anyway, if you put yourself, which one you want to choose? To put yourself to explore the past time or to explore the future?
Maybe I want to explore the future.
The future.
Yeah.
Okay, but before we going to the future, just ask my question. Do you like history?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Really.
What kind of history do you like?
I just like.
Kingdom era?
Yeah.
Or
kingdom-
prehistoric maybe?
Yeah.
Or
It's very interesting for me.
why you like it?
Yeah, because when I am in my childhood, because my parents are teachers of bahasa,
Uh-huh.
means many of them talking about like fairy tale and so on and so forth. That very very interesting for me. So sometimes I imagine myself, wow, how if I go to the past and I'm in a princess, for example.
Oh.
Yeah. It's an imagination of the childhood.
It's very random and unique. You have to be a princess.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you gonna do if you put yourself in the past time,
Yeah.
like a princess in a kingdom era? You want to maybe give or create many policy to your, your rakyat. What kind do you want to do?
Yeah, if in my imagination, if I go to the past, maybe, yeah, I just imagine how actually people in a, in a past situation,
Yeah.
it's very very old, maybe, right? Like something that. There are no technology.
Yeah.
There's no technology at the time. I just imagine that I can, engage with the people.
It's
that
gonna be crazy, no social
Yeah,
media, my God.
I don't know.
So,
Maybe I just imagine. I don't want to be a poor in the past. I
Oh,
just
okay.
imagine if I'm in a kingdom place and I become a princess of a king. Wow,
Okay.
Yeah.
okay,
Just
okay.
imagine.
Let's talk to the
Yeah.
future. Okay, you are still. Okay. How about if we put in opposite? Because you already answered about the past. What about in the opposite? The future. What do you want to do?
Yeah, because I'm in a present time, so I can actually expect what actually I am in the future, but I really have many dreams for the future. Maybe go overseas, maybe continue my study in overseas and become a lecturer, for example, and have a happy family.
Do you
Yeah.
need Doraemon helping? You know Doraemon, right?
Yeah.
Doraemon have a time machine,
Yeah.
time machine.
Yeah.
Doraemon. One of serial have a time machine.
Yeah.
Okay, I move to Wahid. Okay, talk about time machine. Actually, we just try to imagine, right? We just try to imagine. Not really, we want to put ourselves there, right? Okay, because we have religion. Because we have religion, we have a belief, and just go with the flow. Just trying to imagination, and imagination is free. Okay, what is yourself? How if you put yourself to the future, what you gonna do?
Yeah, same like Aini.
Uh-huh.
I want to go to abroad to continue my study.
Okay.
To be a lecturer or something like that. That we can get get the benefit to our to humanity like that.
Sometimes we have a plane
Yeah.
today, but the expectation, the result is totally different.
It's totally fate.
Right, of course, absolutely, totally. Sometimes, the question is, if you have a machine to turn on the time and make it dream your happen, do you want to use that tool?
Yeah, we know. Yeah, if we
Try to imagine. Try to imagine.
Yeah, we know our. Yeah, we make like the mistake, right? Like mistake. Yeah. I want to go to my past. With my what I have mistake it.
Okay.
But in this is my what this is my opinion, but when we when we change the pass, so we can make the different feature. Until now, for example, before going here, if I don't. If I like eat choto, I will full now.
Food hunter, I know. I know you're a food hunter.
But we
Kidding.
but I don't like I don't eat choto. Yeah, I don't be full now.
I
Like
get the
that.
point.
Yeah.
Thank you, Wahid. Okay, I'm going to Firda. What you gonna do if you put yourself in the future?
Okay, actually, I have a lot of dream, yes, and
Oh, wow.
I hope my dream, my a lot of dream
singing?
is
I have a lot of.
I hope
singing.
my dreams come true in the future. Yeah, like I want to be a lecturer. I want to be a teacher, and maybe in the 2 and 3 years in the future, maybe I want to be a wife.
Oh,
I want,
absolutely.
of course, all of us want to.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
And then I want to be, have children, a husband, of course, and
Did you want to be milliardaire?
Of course, yes.
Oh, wow.
I mean,
Very optimistic.
and yeah, I hope I can be a better person from right now.
Better,
and-
emang lebih baik. Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm kidding.
Yeah, so I want to continue my study also in the abroad because I English teacher. I am English students right now, so I want to come abroad in to continue my study. Same with our sister Aini. Yeah.
Okay. How if your plane is not success? What
Oh my God.
Do you want to use a time machine?
Of course, I want to change my past so I can come. I can get my dream. Yeah. So I want
Why
to.
you want to use a time machine?
Because-
time machine is not exist. Come on.
But if I can use if I can use
Okay.
a time machine,
Okay.
I want to change. I want to make a dream different to make my dream come true.
Good.
Yes.
That's good. Yeah, I support you.
I mean,
Pakintaki. Okay, Fatana. What about you? Do you get my point? My question.
If I go to the
Same
future,
question. No. How if you put yourself in the future?
oh, if I put myself
Mhm.
with time machine,
It's up to you.
maybe
You want
it's
to
not
use
like
it?
the others say.
Uh-huh.
If I use it time machine to go to the future,
Uh-huh.
I will go to the new world. That the new
Pardon?
New
Word.
New word. Oh,
Yes,
wow. What
like
kind?
like in the I
Metaverse, metaphysical.
like not New York like that you think about,
Uh-huh.
just the New York with the different era,
different era.
So
Okay.
we'll go to the different era and see the flying car, flying train, and everything.
But
in
the
world is
future, right? The
changed.
future,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Maybe
How many years to
maybe
forward?
100.
100.
100 and
You have a high
Etc.
imagination.
but
Fatana.
I think maybe human made it a flying car.
And you are
maybe
going to
Yes.
face meeting with alien maybe.
yes. And then I watching one of the episode of Doraemon, and Doraemon and
Oh my
Nobita go
God.
to there and go to the somewhere with the flying car with the there are so many robots
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
restaurant, and
Yeah.
then we see in the Japan as now.
Sounds great.
Japan now, they made a restaurant with robot.
Right.
Be a worker
Uh-huh.
in there. So I think maybe in the future there's a flying car,
Uh-huh.
there's a flying house.
Maybe you can also flying with our hair, maybe.
Yes,
Who
maybe
knows?
I have
Possible.
it. Maybe I can buy
what is it? Wings. I
Uh-huh.
can buy wings
Uh-huh.
in the store. Like I
wings.
buy. Yes. It's just imagination.
You know wings. There is a wings in Gade, right?
Really?
Gade.
Oh. Yes. So maybe in the future, maybe.
Okay, thank you, Fatana. Good comment. Okay, what about you, Ais? How if you put yourself in the future? What you gonna do? Just mix in bahasa, please.
What I want to achieve in the future to the better and not repeat the some mistake in the past.
Mhm. Not repeat the mistake in the past.
Yes.
But if you want to choose, but okay, keep your statement. We will be right back. Yeah, we will be right back after the commercial break. Stay tuned with Smart FM 1.